My name is Robert McArthur, and I'm an old grader guy with nearly 40 years as a heavy equipment operator in the highway maintenance industry. I am a farmer's son who worked down the spine of the continent from Prudhoe Bay, Alaska to Purgatory, Colorado, primarily knocking down avalanche snow and pushing it where it doesn't want to go. I'm also the first student to enroll in the Highway Maintenance Management degree offered by Front Range Community College here in Colorado. There have been many who have asked why I would want to undertake such a challenge, so I'm going to try to answer that question. The boomer exodus is upon us, and a great number of supervisory and managerial positions are opening up. Someone is going to take those positions, and I would like to have some influence on those decisions. I look around at all those who may have their names in the hat to see if they would make good bosses, but I usually find that I would rather work for the guy in the mirror. There was a day within the foreseeable past when tenure was enough to almost guarantee promotions at work. However, the liability issues and technical advancements in our industry have all but made those possibilities non-existent. Change is inevitable, whether we like it or not. Today, employers are looking for professional applicants with the perfect balance between work experience and formal education. They not only want candidates who can walk the walk, but who can talk the talk as well. To get in the hat for a supervisory or management position these days, a person needs formal education with emphasis on general education skills, communication, and leadership. Fortunately, many of these same employers also recognize the value of their existing staff and often promote hiring from within. Succession planning focuses on that very thing, and most places practice career path succession planning at some level, with refundable tuitions for formal education. There are the obvious reasons why anyone would want to earn a degree, including higher pay, job security, better benefits, and promotional opportunities. Anyone can expand their knowledge base and weather the adversity of a potential economic downturn. So why would an old man like me want to go back to college? That is a no-brainer, folks. I want to get in the hat, and I want to stay in the hat. I chose the Highway Maintenance Management degree program at Front Range Community College because it is a form of vocational academic hybrid. I like the convenience of online learning, so I do not have to travel or miss any work. I suppose the idea of channeling most of the industry training through one college is a good idea, including the wealth of course material options. I like the credit for prior learning aspect, especially the challenge exams based on field experience. This is the only degree I could find that combines skilled trade and labor standardized training with good management courses. Front Range Community College is committed to the highway maintenance business, not only because they offer this degree, but they host Colorado LTAP as well. Talk about one-stop shopping, and this is the only place in the lower 48 to find it. Within 10 years, this degree will be a prerequisite for management job postings in this industry. I am roughly halfway through this jack-of-all-trades program and find that Front Range Community College is very user-friendly. I was surprised to find that the virtual discussion posting is intriguing, as it provides for roundtable brainstorming in real time. The connectivity is excellent, with a decent Wi-Fi or cell signal. I work in a very remote part of Colorado, so I store everything on a thumb drive and work off of that when I do not have a signal. Personally, I want this degree so that I can have the credibility of not only 80,000 hours working in the industry, but the academic validation as well. I have a lot of experience to share with my successors, and I'm running out of time. I hope to put myself in a position to have some influence, mentoring the next generation of highway maintenance technicians and leaders. If an old man like me can do this, you can too.